Yeah, y'all know who the fuck this is. It's your BO2 Warlord Hell Nino. Introductor is Ancient StK in the motherfucking building. Triple R, Rough, Rugged, and Ratchet. What's happening? I'm gonna tell you what's happening. Right now, we on TDM on the Overflow. It's kind of rare that we even do videos on Overflow or actually be inside that map. So, I'm gonna take this opportunity to do this video since we all here. Yeah, man, we got DeltaMarine1. We got Kelvon, Ancient Birds in here. Client Nova's in here. We all in here. Let's get it. Without further ado, we're going to get into this video, though. Let's get it. There's birds. Ancient. Kelvon. Birds. Kelvon. Birds. Kelvon. Birds. Kelvon. Ancient. Here's Prince when I threw that ancient Betty at his ass. Birds. Birds. Ancient. Kelvon. DeltaMarine. They kill birds. Ancient. Ancient. They'll kill Prince on that. Kelvon. Birds. Ancient. Ancient. Birds. Kelvon. Delta. This one he killed Kelvon. Birds. Kelvon. Ancient. Birds. Ancient. Kelvon setting up. Alright, bet. As you see, the game is over. 75-56. Our team won. Shout outs to Delta on the other team, though. You did good, homie. That's what's up. But time for the next video. See you motherfuckers. Ha ha.